Good day guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to log in into the Sharjah Islamic Bank online. You'll take it to managing money anytime, anywhere in 2025. So first, in your browser, whatever browser you're using, open up the SIB AE. As you can see, I already have the official website. On the home page, click top right for online banking, so online login. After that, click it. You'll hit a drop down, pick personal banking login. So let us choose personal. After that, it'll make you go to the online.sib.ae, the secure login page. That's for some reason not available to me. All right. After that, make sure it's got that padlock in the URL bar safety first. After that, guys, step 2 login. You'll need your user ID and password. Stuff you set up when you registered at a branch or through SIB Digital. Type your user ID in the first box, then your password below. Use the virtual keyboard if you're paranoid about keyloggers. Hit login. If it's your first time, you might need to verify with OTP from your phone next. Now secure it. After hitting login, you'll likely get a one-time password sent to your registered mobile. Grab that SMS, punch the 6-digit code into the box on screen, and click submit. Boom, you're in. Guys, this is basically it. That's how you log in into this bank. Enter your creds, verify with OTP, and you're set. Guys, drop your experience below if you have any. Like and subscribe for more UAE banking hacks. See you next time.